Here you see a typical one-pager. What I want to achieve is I want to click a link. Then we travel to a position on the one-pager. From here we can open a subpage with a project. Then we can click the link and go back to this position deep in the one-pager again, so that the menu is the same. But very often we find that this is a problem in WordPress. So how can we solve that problem? First of all, let's edit the page. Now we are in the page, and when we want to create a menu for a one-pager, we go to the position where we want to jump to. You mark the block. Then we go to Advanced and we add a HTML anchor. Let's see, what can we call this? My projects, I guess, will do the trick. And then we update the page, and I think I'll just copy paste this one, so I'll copy it here. And now we are ready for our menu that will be able to jump to that position on a one-pager. So we go to menus. Let's see what we have here. We want a custom link here. Here I will add a hash and then the ID or anchor. And then here's some text for the user, my projects. Now we add it to the menu and save it. Now we can go and see if things work. I click on it and you can see that it will travel to the place where my projects are. It's marked by this orange square. So as you can see here, we are ready for the projects. Now when you want a smooth scroll, you can add a little bit of CSS in the custom CSS or save it in the style sheet. And then you just say that it should be smooth scroll. Now we are scrolled to the position and open the page. And let's have a look at it. Yeah, it's nice. And then let's try to go back and click on my project. Now you see this thing doesn't work as expected. Nothing happens. If you want to go back to our one-pager, you have to click either home or the logo or title of the page or whatever, and then you can do it again. So we have a link that actually doesn't work as the user might expect. And this is a little bit annoying, isn't it? What can we do about that? Well, first of all, we need to link in another way, because on a one-pager, the way we linked will only link to that specific page. So what we need is actually to know the full link of that page. So you can copy it from the URL on the top of your browser, or just right click on view and then copy the link there. Now we have the information we need in order to modify our menu. So we'll go to the menu, to my projects, and then instead of just having a URL here or an internal anchor, we add the entire path to my projects. And where you see localhost p WordPress, your website should be, because this is my local host server, so it's on my local system. Now let's see if it works. We go to my projects. Yeah, there it is. We open an external page and now we go back again. So that actually did the trick. You have to have the entire URL to the page and then add a slash and a hash and the ID or anchor, so to speak. Thank you for watching this video, and that's it for today.